In this video, we're learning how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. And just to remind you guys, mixed numbers are made up of a whole part and a fraction part. Like in example 1, we have 2 3/4, which has a whole part of 2 and a fraction part of 3/4. And improper fractions are just fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator. So to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions, we're going to follow the 4 steps at the top of our screen. We're going to simplify the mixed number if possible. Then we want to multiply the denominator by the whole number. We're going to add the result to the numerator and put that final result over the denominator. So let's jump into example 1, which is 2 3/4. We can't simplify 3/4, so we're going to go to step 2, which is multiply the denominator by the whole number. So we're going to multiply 4 by 2, which is 8. And then we want to add the result to our numerator. So 8 plus our numerator of 3 gives us 11. And we want to put that over our original denominator of 4. So we get that 2 3/4 is equal to 11/4. Moving on to example 2, we can simplify 8/12. So we're going to start by doing that. We're going to divide the top and bottom of our fraction part by 4. We're going to keep the whole number part the same, so it stays as 5. 8 divided by 4 gives us a 2 on the top, and 12 divided by 4 gives us a 3 on the bottom. And now we're going to finish this like we solved number 1. So we're going to multiply our denominator by our whole number. 3 times 5 is 15. Add that result to our numerator. 15 plus 2 is 17. Put that over our original denominator of 3. So we get that 5 8/12, which is equal to 5 2/3, is equal to 17/3. And for these last 2 examples, I encourage you guys to pause the video and try them on your own, and then you can watch me work through them to make sure that you've done them correctly. So example 3 is 7 5/8. So we can't simplify, so we're going to start by multiplying the denominator by the whole number. 8 times 7 is 56. We're going to add that to our numerator of 5. 56 plus 5 is going to give us a 61. And we're going to put that over our denominator of 8 to get 61/8. And finally, our last example is 4 22 24, which we can simplify. So we're going to start by dividing the fraction part by 2 on the top and bottom. We'll keep the whole number part as is. So we have 4. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 24 divided by 2 is 12. And now we can switch this into an improper fraction. So we are going to multiply our denominator by our whole number. 12 times 4 is 48. Add that to our numerator of 11. 48 plus 11 is 59. Put that over our original or denominator of 12. We want to put over the simplified denominator. So we get 59/12. So hopefully this video helped you guys understand how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. If you want more practice with problems like these, check out the link in our description for a free practice worksheet.